This is the instruction video for the AeLogo assignment assigned to you guys right now. And so we're in Adobe After Effects. Okay. And we're going to start off by clicking on New Project. But before I start doing this video, just remember you can pause. You can move the playhead to any point where you are at, or you want to repeat anything. Just move the playhead back and forth as you want. You're in control of what I say to you, okay? And all right, so we're going to click on New Project. And that won't come up. It'll come to this. And we want to go New Composition. And and we're working off this handout as well. Okay, so this handout here. So the stuff I'm going to talk about right now is this area right here. Okay, so let me go back and let me zoom in so you can see it. So I don't know that works very well, does it, on a video? So let's just leave it like this for now. Anyways, hopefully you can see. We've got AeLogo, okay? So After Effects logo, which means our name. We want to, on the preset here, click the second one, or the third one if you count custom, the NTSC-DV widescreen. And then down here, we want to set the duration to 5. So whatever it says, if it says 10 or 30, put 0.5 right there. And then click OK. All right. It's possible that you zoom in by accident if you mess with your, if your finger rolls over the scroll button on your mouse. It could get all crazy on you and zoom way in. You see that? You could always come down here and click Fit, and it'll always come back up, or just scroll until it gets back to the size where you can see the whole frame. You want to be able to see the whole frame. Okay. Now we're going to go up here to Layer, New, Text, Layer, New, Text, click, and before I start typing, I can come here and I can pick, under Character, I can pick the font I might want to use. Previews here on the side, you can kind of see what it does, okay, or what it looks like. Just make sure it says it's in English, okay. I'm going to go with marker felt, and then also pick the color you want your logo to be, and click OK. All right, and now you would type in your name, Dr. Your first and last name, please. Let's see, got rid of my D, so Dr. President Jaffe. All right. Then you want to come over here, up here at the top. I'm way over here now, and you want to click on the selection tool. You can click on the text, kind of move it over to the left, and then grab one of those edit boxes. And drag it out so it uses the full width. We don't want to use the full height. We don't want to do that. We just want to make it look normal, but using the full width, or almost the full width, okay? Make sure you still have the text clicked with these red edit boxes before you do the next step, okay? So if for some reason you've clicked out, you don't have those red boxes, just click on it again with the selection tool to make sure you have the edit boxes around, so that After Effects knows what to apply the text preset that you're about to select to. So I'm going to go up here to Animation, Browse Presets. It's going to probably take a little bit longer than this for this to pop up. If you get any questions where it says error or anything like that, or asking for allowing you to it's allowing After Effects or Adobe Bridge to get access to your Documents folder or any of the folders on your computer, or any errors that pop up, the correct click is OK. Just click OK through everything that pops up. It'll only happen the first time you go into Adobe Bridge. It should eventually take you here. All right, you might have to close the screen in front of it that pops up that says it's trying to show you the new things about Adobe Bridge. Just click close in the very last window that pops up after all the OKs that you give it, and it should take you here. Then we're going to go into the text folder, double click on that folder, and now you can use any one of these. There's several of these different presets for text. There's the animate in, animate out, blurs, miscellaneous is pretty cool. The 3D text is cool. Organic text, I personally like organic text. When you go into these things, you can just click once and it'll show you a preview of what that preset will look like, right? And if you want to look at another folder, just go up here to where it says text and go into one of these other folders like animate in. Oh, that's kind of cool. So let's say I like this one, fade up and flip. So I'm just going to highlight it and either double click on it or come down here and click the check. Click the check. Might take a moment to apply it. Oh, if that doesn't work, like it's not working right now, just double click on it. All right, now don't be alarmed, the text disappeared, but that's okay because the beginning of this animation is, there's nothing to see. It's going to start. So you just hit the space bar so you can watch it do its thing, okay? And it'll just keep looping. And if you don't like that particular animation, just do a Command Z. It'll get rid of it. You're still selected. You're right. You still have the edit box. You just go back up here to animation, browse presets. Should just this time take you straight to the text or straight to the folders, and you click on text, and then maybe you want to check out one of these other ones. Let's see. I like this one. Let's see which one do I want to do. Where's the exploding text? Explosion. Let's see what that one does. Oh, no, don't do that one because it blows up right away. You don't want that one. Oh, it applied it. So look, if I hit the space bar, boom. Well, that's not going to help us because your name goes away right away. If you were going to use that one, I'll have to show you something. But anyways, let me hit the space bar, Command Z to undo that one. Let's pick a different one, animation, animate, browse presets, go into text. I'm going to go organic and try this drop bounce. I like this one. So let me try that check again. No, it's not going to work. Double check. Double click. Come on now. Double click. That wants to be difficult. Oh, there it goes. Just took some time. Now when I hit the space bar, it's going to show me that one. Oh, that's cool. I really like this one. Okay, so when you finally get it set, you're good to go. Hit the space bar. Probably good just to put the playhead back to frame 0 and make sure you click down here. So we could do a Command S now to save it. Or we can go File, Save As, and say File, Save As, Save As. Save it as AeLogo. Creative Cloud Files, Adobe After Effects Project. Click Save. Okay. To export, you're going to go File, Export, Add to Render Queue. File, Export. It's the second choice. Add to Render Queue. It's going to come here. You need to, where it says Output, you want to click there and make sure that its Save As name is AeLogo. That is a QuickTime movie format. Okay. You might have to select this if it's not already selected and click Save. And then it's ready to go. You come over here and you click the Render button. It's going to render your animated text. It's creating a file. It's done. So the file name is aelogo.mov. It's going to be in your Creative Cloud, right? Oops, what did I go there for? So if I go to Creative Cloud Files, should have aelogo.mov. See it there? And you want to upload that to Schoology, to the assignment, and put this on your video page. All right, in Wix. And you are done. Good job. Look forward to seeing these.